Akiaria muthenya wa ira hindi ya muthi wa kuririkana andu aria makuirire mitino-ini ya barabara, murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa NTSA gicigo-ini kia Eastern DORIS SABAYA augite mwaka uyu kuri na ugaruruku wa namba ya mitino barabara-ini ni cokete thi. Ukiringithania na mwaka muhituku andu 570 niyo makuite kuhitukira mitino ya barabara na mbere cokete thi kuma andu 622 riri nayo namba ya aria matigitwo na nguraro icokete thi kuma andu 635 kinyagia andu 526.
Last year we had a total of 622 fatalities. Compared to same period this time we have 570, but within the county, Embu County, we are at 61. Now I will not say 61 is a small number because we put names and faces to these numbers. So currently in Embu fatalities are at 61, same number last year, 61. Serious injuries were 35 last year and 59 this year, and slight injuries 46 against 41 this year.
NTSA yugite no iguthie na mbere na kampeini ya ugitiri barabara-ini hamwe na kugathika maruri ma barabara icigo-ini ngurani.
Seen both the national and county governments have come together, so it is a collaborative effort where we're involving all stakeholders towards the agenda for reduction in traffic crashes. We have seen that we want to look at school zones. We are putting speed calming measures. We are working with the road authorities towards even road signages.
Mihang'o ino ni nyititwo mbaru ni atongoria kaunti-ini ya Embu oro ndumwe na kanjo ya magavana.
I remember our chief guest spoke about the CTSCs, which we really laud the Council of Governors for supporting, and in Embu County specifically the names have already been forwarded for gazettement, and we have a transport policy in Embu that is actually waiting to be finalized for us to pick it up from there.
In the last 12 months, the county government of Embu has also embarked on an exercise to ensure that our roads are safe, especially within the municipalities of Embu.
Hadwini HAKAMWE TV gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.